Hey, welcome back to Compact Content. Today I'm going to be doing a video of 100 skeletons versus 100 wolves. We're going to see who wins, but we're going to start off with 1 and then just go by 10. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I also just wanted to mention that most of the people who watch my videos aren't actually subscribed, so please consider subscribing. It's completely free and it's just one click away. So, yeah. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be doing 1 skeleton versus 1 wolf, so just going to spawn them in each part, and then I'm just going to release them into each other. So 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so the skeleton won that round, but that doesn't mean it will win all the rounds, because the strength of the wolf is the pack, and the strength of the pack is the wolf, so yeah. I don't know. They might win the 100 round, but we'll see. Okay, so time for battle 2. Yeah, so I just need to activate the arena wall, and then spawn 10 wolves. And 10 skeletons. Okay. And now, let the battle commence. 3, 2, 1. And the skeletons won the round again. But there's still a third battle, so don't give up. Anyways, see you in the third battle. Okay, so now it is time for the third and final battle of the wolves versus the skeletons. And it's going to be 100 skeletons versus 100 wolves. So this might lag up a bit. Sorry if it does. But, yeah. I'll try to make it the best quality as possible. So, put the arena down, and 100 wolves. Okay, so that is 100 skeletons and 100 zombies. The battle begins in 3, 2, 1. Yes, so there you have it. The wolves finally won. And yeah, what did I tell you? The strength of the wolf is in the pack, and the strength of the pack is in the wolf. So yeah, there you have it. See you in the next video.